Removal of the shift knob and boot is quick and easy. Just take your time so you do not scratch or damage anything. The shift knob is held in place by a collar on the bottom. On our vehicle, I could grasp the plastic base and turn it with my hand. You may need to use an adjustable wrench. Just use care not to damage it. The collar is designed into the knob, and you only want to turn the lower section. Once it has rotated approximately 90 degrees, you can lift the knob off the shaft. To remove the boot, start at the section closest to the front and use a trim removal tool to pry it upwards, red arrows. The boot pivots back where it sits in two mounts, red arrow, then lift it off the shaft. In this image, you can see how the tabs mount into the center column. The base of our shifter was broken by a previous mechanic. Two of the locking arms were broken off. Unfortunately, on the factory shift knob, the knob and the coupler are one piece and cannot be replaced separately. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.